Welcome to Fixing Cars with Andy and Josh.
No. Welcome to Fixing Cars with Josh and Andy.
So in this video, in the previous video you'll have seen us diagnose this engine. It is toast, and take the engine out of the other A-Class ready to go in this one. So we've got one out on this stand ready to go. So we just need this one out, the other one in, see how long it takes us.
So we're just going to get it pushed in now, and then Andy will tell you what we're doing next on it.
Caleb put these on.
If he ever gets here, he's never here, is he? He's never here.
Never on time.
Never on time. That Caleb means never on time.
His hand then?
Nope.
Can we start buying them at actually what?
No.
Caleb's never here to get his hand pushing, is it?
Yeah, it's not going too bad. Hey, there's no one steering.
Yeah, watch out for the bumper.
Right, so we're going to take the engine out of this one and put that one in. Yeah.
So what we're going to do first, because we've got the experience with the other one, we're going to send it up in air, take wheels off, all the shafts out, do all the bottom half first, then take front end off, pull everything out up front.
That is a good idea.
Yeah, there you go. Where did I get that idea from?
Right, are we ready?
Yeah, let's go.
And if it falls off the ramp, go on and put it on.
Oh, did he? Right, so we've sent a bit of a challenge. We reckon we can have engine out in an hour. So we've got 55 minutes left. And yeah. Caleb, you got your girlfriend on your back screen?
So I stuck my fingers in here because I can't keep my fingers out of these little holes.
Right, so Callum just had a finger at turbo and discovered it's got quite a lot of play in it. I don't think we'll be able to show it, but it's luckily there's a turbo on other engines, so I don't think you'll be able to see. Yeah, you'll not see it. But luckily there's one on this engine and it runs alright.
So it turns out it's got a tuning box on this one, crudely fitted. Super chips, but it'll stay, I think. What are you saying?
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of tuning boxes.
We could just map it, to be fair.
It just tricks stuff, that's what I don't like, So we're all in a bit of a rush trying to get out. There's not much left.
Took the side one off, a little one.
Everything's stripped off, but we have only got 10 minutes left. Will we make it? Right, so we have just hit the hour. We've just lapsed it for another one, but we should be out in 5-10 minutes. We had a few little problems, some clips and stuff, but it should be out very shortly. Sounds great. So engine's out. What time? What have we got left? So 45 minutes, so we'll 15 minutes of it. So an hour and 15 from start to finish is out. Go.
There's a slight different spec. So this has come out of this A180. So that's a CLA. It's slightly different. The coolant hose. Literally it just goes to a secondary pump on that, it goes to the same place and everything on it. It just has an extra hose, just goes to a secondary pump as opposed to heater matrix.
Yeah. It's
just slightly different spec, that's all.
So what Andy's saying is this heater pipe comes from the heater into a auxiliary water pump, which will then pump it to engine, so it'll pump it around quicker and get it hotter quicker. So inside a carb it will be a lot warmer quicker. That's the only thing that is different with changing that pipe, but we'll be all good. Tool of the day. Andy absolutely loves these little pliers.
Lifesavers.
What have you done, Callum?
Dropped the washer. Done. Yeah, mate, you're never getting that back. It's with car now.
It's at one with the car.
Engine, the new engine, back in. So we've connected all fuel pipes up, coolant pipes. There's no coolant in it yet, but I just want to start it up before the front end's on. If there's any issues we need to deal with, now is the time to deal with them. I just want to put it in. It should all be fine because we're using the ECU from the original ECU, but all the wiring is from the donor car.
Yeah.
So I just want to get. Callum's just connecting alternator wire up. We're going to connect battery up, put the ECU in, connect battery up, and we'll see if it starts.
What we're doing now is just connecting bare minimum up to start it, and then we'll see if it runs, then we can build everything back up nice and neat. We might have to connect clutch pipe, because some cars you need the clutch pressure to be able to start it. So we'll try that. We'll get ECU in, and everything else. Everything should be fine because we're using original wiring and original coding from the ECU, so everything's just plug and play. Right, so we're going to try and start it up now.
We'll try this clutch, I don't know. I haven't lost a lot of it.
Have you plugged it in?
Yeah, it's plugged in.
Oh mate, it works.
Does it actually work?
Ready?
Yeah, go. Gearbox safe. Oh.
Someone come on. Now turn over. Does that...
That switch plugged into gearbox?
No.
What if you can't see it?
I don't even know where it is. Come on.
Right. We'll try again in a second, we'll see, we'll do some investigating and see what we can find. Right, so what we found, this one plugged in, big old plug, we'll see. We might need it, we might not. I imagine we will because it is part engine loo. I kept it back up.
Try now.
Oh my god, first time! Oh my god! I am buzzing at that. What's it sound like when it goes?
I'm good.
No map or out, is there?
I'm good quite to this. Runs. So, it's alive. What? Hang on a sec, I can tell you exactly how long it took us to get it in and running. So, we set off. So, an hour and 50 minutes exactly. An hour and 50 minutes to get an engine out and back in and running. It's not built up, but there's not a great deal left to go back on. You just now do it fair and make it nice and make it properly.
I'm happy that it fired up first time.
Very happy.
Good, isn't
What
it?
else can you say?
Found it.
To be fair, I thought it had cranked for a bit longer, but fired straight up. I'm impressed. It's petrol though, isn't it, I suppose?
It's not back off further.
Where?
Right, so what we're doing now?
We're going to send it up. It feels like it's in gear, but it's got no mounts, no nothing. So I want to build the bottom up first, drive shafts in. I want to test the gears work, bearing in mind we don't know this gearbox.
Yeah.
Because the other car was smashed up.
Yeah.
So I want to test that the gears work, gearbox is good, before I put all that back on and find out gearbox is mashed. So we're going bottom up.
Wicked. Callum's just fitting gearbox mount on. In the noisiest way possible. Andy's just fitting exhaust on. Look exhausted there, mate.
Yeah. If anybody does that with V-bands, these are boys. V-band clamp pliers. If anybody's took V-bands off an exhaust, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. You're getting tested tomorrow, is that what?
It's tested.
Is it?
We're only about good ones, Cal.
Rad pack's all on. Just need to get all coolant pipes on and then we can bleed it all up. So radiator's connected, everything else is connected up. It's just the processing out. Putting headlights in, airbox back in, ECU connected up, all battery trays in. Andy's just connected some heat shields, and then should be good to go. Headlights are in, ECU's in the proper place, airbox is all in. Ready for bonnet. So it's all back together, it's all running. So 3 hours and 6 minutes. From start to finish, 3 hours and 6 minutes. Good drive in, drive out. Quite easy. Yeah, go on, get a bit of a rev.